Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
I think last year, I had a terrible date. I don't fake it. I mean, I just say if it's not looking that great, I don't say anything. I just keep shut and just smile, and it's nice. I mean, I cannot fake. Yeah, I mean, girls have that plus point where you can friend zone someone if you don't like, So yeah. Last time मुझे गुस्सा I think Bigg Boss में आया था वो जो इतना भयानक गुस्सा, but I think
I have a quick segment for you. It's all about last time. Last time आपने कब किया है? आपके साथ कब हुआ है? So last time you slipped. Last time फिसले कब थे?
Last time when did I slip? कभी नहीं फिसली मैं. Luckily, touch wood. By God's grace, मैं फिसली नहीं हूँ अभी तक. Well,
okay. Last time you shopped online.
Recently only, I think lockdown से पहले, just before lockdown, I shopped online.
And last time you got late for shoot.
I'm never late on set. I've made it a point कि मैं कभी late नहीं होती हूँ. अगर होती भी हूँ तो 10 मिनट 15 मिनट इधर उधर होता है. Otherwise, I'm never late on set. Yeah.
Actually, I'll take my question again. Last time you got hungry. Hunger plus anger.
Hunger plus anger. I think during shoot only, when you're shooting and break होने में time लग जाता है, and then you're like, please जल्दी break करो, I'm hungry, and then you're just yelling at people and you're not understanding what to do. So that's the last time I did that. Yeah. Lockdown से पहले.
Last time you said sorry.
Last time I said sorry was I think day before yesterday to my mom.
Okay, reason?
See, I was just pulling her leg. I was just doing all that stupid no joke with her, and she got irritated. I was like, sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Last time you had a perfect day.
Perfect day. I think these days I'm having perfect days because I'm just chilling, not doing anything, just relaxing, watching shows. So I think it's a perfect day for me.
Last time you unfollowed someone on Instagram.
ये मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. Why should I tell you this? I mean, I think I should keep shut.
But ऐसे बोल सकते ना कल परसों कभी किया है. ये नहीं पूछूंगी.
हाँ, ये बोल. हाँ, thank you. मैंने परसों day before yesterday only I unfollowed someone. Sorry.
Okay. Last time you had a bad date.
Bad date. I think last year. I had a terrible date.
Last time you fake praised someone.
Last time I faked praise someone. Not really. I don't fake it. I mean, I just say if it's not looking that great, I don't say anything. I just keep shut and just smile, and it's nice. I mean, I cannot fake it.
Last time you got angry क्योंकि हमने angry रूप देखा है show में. So
exactly.
Last time गुस्सा कब आया था आपको?
Last time मुझे गुस्सा I think Bigg Boss में आया था वो जो इतना भयानक गुस्सा, but I think last time वही तभी आया था गुस्सा. उसके अलावा अभी तक नहीं आया. Touch wood.
Last time you did something illegal and got caught.
Last time I did something illegal. I've never done something illegal. I'm a good girl, yeah. I mean, I haven't done anything illegal yet.
Okay, ये आपको याद होगा शायद. Last time you went out to eat.
Last time I went out to eat. That's obviously before lockdown. उससे पहले उसके बाद तो no chance. So before lockdown, I think I went somewhere. I think Mahesh Lunch Home. I went to have fish curry. I love fish curry वहाँ की. So yeah.
Okay. Last time someone shouted at you.
Last time someone shouted at me. My mother. she keeps shouting. So yeah.
Any particular
mom.
reason?
That when I was irritating her, I was just pulling her leg. I was doing all that stupid things, and she was like, "Stop it! बस हो गया, बस कर."
काम
So that's
मत करो यार.
stop.
She is very sweet. जब आप घर में थे, Big Boss के वो ही थी जो हमें हर दिन इंटरव्यू देती थी.
I know,
Last
she's-
time,
हाँ.
yeah, she is very sweet. Last time you get friend zone.
Last time I got friend zoned. I've never got friend zoned. Luckily.
किया होगा ना लोगों को.
Yeah, I mean, girls have that plus point where you can friend zone someone if you don't like, you know. So yeah.
Last time you used the pickup line. ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
मैं वो उसके लिए मतलब आपको I am not the first person to approach someone. It's always the guy who approaches me, so I don't use pickup line. Dating करने के बाद हाँ थोड़ा मस्ती मजाक में आप बोल सकते हैं, but otherwise no.
Okay. Lastly, last time you did something for the first time.
I didn't get your question. Last time I did for the first time.
You did something for the first time.
Sat at home for 20 days continuously. I think that's for the first time. So yeah.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.